What's up guys, see you on the channel from SmartSimj Graphics. Welcome to the fifth tutorial inside C++ programming. So in this tutorial, we'll start learning about variables in C++. Every programming language has at least the ability to create variables and to store them. Okay, so the same as C++, whenever you're writing your own programs, you are going to meet variables. Okay, you cannot avoid them. Okay, so let's create a new project. Okay, we are using the console application. Hit next. Okay. Our ID is ready. Okay. So don't like these comments. Okay. So as usual, let's use the namespace std. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, variables it's just a storage location allocated on your computer. You specify it yourself and then you can manipulate it the way you want. Okay, but it's like a special container which when you declare, the computer will set aside that memory so that you can put values inside that storage location and use them inside the program. Okay, but to say these variables come in different types. Okay, meaning that you have you can store data in different forms. Okay, you can store data as strings, like a bunch of characters. You can store them as numbers. To specify, store them as integers, doubles, float values, whatever you wish. Okay, so the same in C++ and maybe in other languages except Ruby, Perl, yeah, those ones, Python, those ones, they have the ability to know what data type you have put inside a variable. But like these languages like C, C++, you need to specify what type of variable you want to store. Okay, otherwise the compiler will complain. Okay, so you can declare the variables inside or outside functions, but not outside classes. Okay, it's just inside class or inside methods or outside methods only. Okay, we have two types. We have global variables and local variables. And global variables are those ones which you can access them. They are not, you declare them outside maybe your function so that page or the entire file can use that variable, whereas local variables are inside a function. Okay, so those ones cannot be declared, they cannot be used by other functions. Okay, only the function, only the function is specified within. Okay, yeah, so to create, let's start with local variables. So to create a local variable, first you need to specify the data type which you want to store in. Okay, so let's say we're creating a variable to store an integer variable, an integer value. Okay, so to do that, say int my number variable. You can give it any name. Okay, send equals, and then you give it a value. Okay, so it's first you declare the data type, and then give it a name, and then the value. Okay, you can also do it like my second name, just like this. Okay, and just create a variable without assigning a value to it, like what we have done here. But here we have created the value and assigned and instantly assigned a value to it. Okay, this is the value, meaning that 12 is inside my number variable, which has been created on your hard drive. Okay, yeah, so you can print that out. Cout. You can say my number variable. Okay, maybe let's do that for now. Let's remove that one. Okay, so debug that one. Yeah, so our output is 12. Okay, we have printed out this one, my number variable. This one has been just created. We haven't assigned any value to it. That means as of now it's now. Okay, the value is unknown. Right. Yeah, so basically this is how you create a variable. For the other data types, we have boolean. Okay, we have a bool as stated here, boolean. You can say is equal to is either true or false. Okay, you can say true or false. Okay. Let's have strings. Okay. Okay. Just for a string, have double. For doubles, it's a number of decimal places. Okay. A float is the same as a double. Okay. Have character. That's a single letter. And this one you have to enclose it inside a single quote. Okay, different from a string which is enclosed in double quotes. Okay, we have already seen for an int. Yeah, so at least these are these data types. You can have arrays, enumerations, okay, pointers. You can have memory references. Just call them references. Yeah, so basically those are examples of data types you may meet inside programs. Okay, you can draw whatever you wish there. So yeah, that's all for in this tutorial. Please share the content. Stay safe. Don't forget to get the code. My GitHub page, link in the description. Yeah. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.